Morning, students. So, students, I will ask you some questions and you will put your hands up. Then you will answer them and maintain the discipline. Okay? Tell me how many planets are there in our solar system? Okay, very good answer. Now, tell me on which planet do we live? Nice answer. So, we live on Earth. Very good answer. Now, tell me the part beyond the Earth's atmosphere. What do we call it? Very good, very good. The part beyond the Earth's atmosphere, we call it space. Nice answer. Sit down. Now tell me, if we want to go to space, which vessel do we use? You tell me. Nice answer. We use spacecrafts and rockets to go to space. Sit down. Now, can anyone tell me which rocket India gonna use in upcoming years? Okay, so nobody knows. So come, let's discuss about Gaganyaan project. So again, I will ask you some questions related to your subject as you have studied before. So, tell me, who was the first human to go into the space? Very good. The first human to go into the space was Yuri Gagarin. Very good answer. You can sit down. Now again, tell me, who was the first Indian man to go to the space? Very good answer. The first Indian to go to the space was Mr. Rakesh Sharma. As we know, our ISRO works in the field of space, and ISRO gonna launch a rocket which is named as Gaganyaan. So we will discuss about Gaganyaan. So I will be putting first heading, Introduction to Gaganyaan. On 15th August 2018, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi allotted budget for this project, which is called as Gaganyaan project. Our organization ISRO was working already on this since 2006, but due to lack of budget and money, we couldn't start the program. So there will be a crew of 3 people. They will go to space and do the researches there, and they will stay there for 7 days, and they will do all the researches over there. The orbit of their spacecraft will be 400 kilometers above the surface of Earth, and then after 7 days they will do splash landing in Indian Ocean. So I will write some points over there, and you will write them in your notebook. Allotted on 15th August 2018. The spacecraft will stay there for 7 days and will take a crew of 3 people. They will do experiments in space, and then they will do splash landing in Indian Ocean. Write these points down and tell me when you are done. Hope you have noted down. Now I am rubbing the blackboard. So I will ask you again some questions related to what you have studied before. Now tell me, what was the first satellite launched by India? No, you answer this. Very good. The first satellite launched by India was Aryabhatta. Okay, again, now tell me, what means do we use to launch satellites into the space? Very good. We use rockets to launch satellites into the space. As we know, India has an organization called ISRO that works in the field of space, and they use ESLV and GSLV rockets to launch satellites into the space. Now, the Gaganyaan project will be using GSLV Mark 3 satellite to launch them into the space. Okay. Now we will discuss about the working of the project Gaganyaan. The Gaganyaan mission will have 3 stages. In first 2 stages, they will send a robot which is called Vyomamitra, and they will do first 2 trials to live into space, and then in third trial they will send humans, 3 humans. They will be called as Vyomanauts, and they will stay there for 7 days. They will do some researches over there, and then they will do splash landing in our Indian Ocean. So this is the working of our mission. Okay, there remember there will be a docking module inside their crew capsule and one emergency evac system, so that if the emergency comes they can do evacuation and save lives. Okay, 3 stages. First 2 stages. The third stage will be manned. Three Vyomanauts. They will stay there for 7 days, and after experiments, splash landing. Docking module. And emergency evac. Emergency evac. So note it down. Okay. Again, I will ask you some questions and you will answer them. Now tell me, can we live in space? Can we breathe in space? No, we can't breathe in space. Very good. Can we do normal things like walking, jumping? Can we do them in space? Very good. We can't do these things in space. Now tell me, is there any atmosphere in space? No, there is no atmosphere in space. Very good. So, we will discuss about these such challenges in space. What do our astronauts will suffer from these challenges? Now, I will note down the heading. Challenges of space. So the first challenge is budget itself, as it takes large amount of money to build a rocket and launch it to space. So it is the first and main challenge of this. The second challenge is calculations. We need to calculate a large amount of mathematical equations to go to space, as 1% of error of this can lead to sabotage of the mission and destruction of the rocket. Now the third and the last challenge is landing and takeoff itself. As we do takeoff or do landing, we experience a lot of gravitational pull. So the landing and takeoff can be a lot of challenging tasks. So these are the challenges of space. You can write them down. Okay. You have all noted it down. So this is all for today. I hope you have understand the topic. And now, so this is homework for you today. You will write about main challenges of space, and then you will search on internet about launching dates of Gaganyaan, all 3 stages of them. And then you can collect images of rockets from internet, TV or newspapers. So any rocket if you can collect, you will collect them and submit your homework tomorrow.